skinny dudes packing those anacondas. I might be petite, but I'm a fucking monster. Everything I do is the...
Hey friends. I look a hot mess, obviously. Y'all see that. The apartment looks a hot mess, as you can also see that. This is what it looks like to pack to go to study abroad and to pack to move out of your apartment. So yeah. This is a total transparent moment of what my life looks like right now. This scarf is like not scarfing. Okay, there we go. It looks a little better. Okay, so we are like T-minus like not even 24 hours until I leave to Italy. And where's my boyfriend? Nowhere to be found. No, I'm just kidding. He's helping his brother move, so sadly he's not here. Ugh. This thing is heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna carry this on my back, but we gonna make it work. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on. This is the backpack as you guys seen before. It got a lot of stuff in here. That's why it's so bad. Anyways, okay, so I have my 3+ outfits packed in this little pocket right here. Everything's folded real nice and tight. Okay. I added my sanitizer here because, fun fact, you don't want to use plain water, okay? You don't want to use it. Don't wash your hands in it. Don't brush your teeth with it. Don't wash your face with it. No, it's nasty. It's gross. You don't want them germs. So that's why we take hand sanitizer. I have my little luggage tag. There's that. My my air tag is in my backpack in one of these pockets. I really don't remember which pocket, but it's in here. That's all that matters. I have my Beats already hooked on here. They're all charged up per. This pocket, this like back pocket, is I have my laptop. I'm gonna have my laptop and my iPad in here, and then one of my like phone chargers is gonna be in there. This main pocket, so that pocket at the bottom that I told you my like clothes were packed in and stuff, it like the pocket expands into like inside of the bag, so like that kind of takes up some space inside the bag. But I still have a hairbrush in here, my laptop charger, my portable charger, my pens and stuff because I'm bringing a planner. I have my planner in here and I have a book in here. I'm not like a big reader, but like honestly, it's a 9-hour flight. Might as well bring a book. And the book that I brought, it was like kind of popular on TikTok for a little while. It's The Strength in Our Scars. It's this one. I'm like really big on like trying to get my like mental health and my stress levels like down. So like I'm really trying to like get into like a better place with myself, like spiritually and mentally. So I thought it would be a good book to buy. And like I'm gonna like take notes on it and like yeah, y'all probably don't need to know all that. Anyways, but yeah, so I have my pens, pencils, all that good stuff because we're studying abroad, so we need that stuff. Duh. My portable charger is already in here, like I told you guys. What else is in here? Oh, I have like a little first aid kit just in case. I think that's all I have in this pocket. Charger, yada. So that's what's in like the main big pocket, okay? And then I don't have anything in this pocket yet because it's an insulated pocket. So I'm gonna go to like Dollar Tree and stuff. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and pack some snacks in here. Oh, I actually have a mask in here. I'm bringing masks just in case. And then I have a couple of like cash in here. So I have Euro money in here and I have American money. This is what you call rich. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not rich, nowhere close to it. I'm a broke college student that also is a teacher, so that means I'm extra broke. Okay. Anyways, isn't the Euro money super cool looking? Like, I don't like, this is just, I don't know. It's just super cool looking. I like it. Anyways, so yeah, this is gonna be the snack part. You can like bring your own snacks, you just can't bring your own liquids. So I'm gonna have to like buy a bottle of water on like when I get to the airport. This is probably the most important. This is where I have my not emergency, but like my essential things that I need for the plane ride. I have my 2 packs of gum. This is the absolute best gum to chew when you're on a flight because it's like super thick. So if your ears are popping and stuff, you only need like 1. I have to chew 2 because my ears pop that bad and it hurts terribly. So I have to eat like 2 pieces. But yeah, so Bubble Yum original with the duck on it. That's the gum you need for your ears on the flight. Okay? Okay. Remember that. I have my Clorox wipes. So go wipe down the chair and the tray. Because we don't need those germs in our life. Okay? I got my Burt's Bees for my lips to be moisturized. I got my other portable charger in here. This is like the really small one for like your phone. Or I could use it for my iPad too. And then these are the FlyFit ear. They're supposed to help with like my ear popping and like the ear pressure. I'm hoping these work. I don't really know if I'm supposed. I might like have to put these in as soon as I like sit because I don't know how well I'll be able to hear if I have them in before I sit. So yeah, I don't know. We're still trying to figure that out. But yeah, all this important stuff is like in the front pocket because we need this. This pocket just has like some miscellaneous things. I have a toothbrush in here. These are little things of soap, like soap papers, but they turn into soap with water. Deodorant. Oh no, is it broken? It may be broken. Oh, I don't know, it's making a noise. But yeah, that's what's in here. I'm gonna put my iPad in here with my laptop. I'm just like downloading movies on there. If you guys didn't know, like I didn't know this until recently, so I don't know how many people actually know this, but you can download certain movies off of certain like streamings and then watch them while you're offline. So I just downloaded, I think I downloaded 2 on Amazon Prime, and I'm downloading 2 on Disney Plus right now. So, and I'm downloading like 2-hour type of movies, so they're kind of long, so I'll pass them that. My flight from Tampa to Frankfurt, Germany is 9 hours long. It's like 9 hours and 15 minutes, I think. So yeah, that's kind of long. But this is the carry-on bag so far. I really don't know. Oh, my AirPods were overloaded the whole time. I had no idea. Let me go grab those. Actually, no, these aren't my AirPods. Those are necklaces. Which means I still don't know where mine are, but that's okay. I think I packed my AirPods away in a purse. So there's that. Yeah. Oh, I'm also packing this scarf and my bonnet in here because my hair is done and who do I need to look cute for on the plane? Nobody. Okay. So yeah, this is the carry-on. This is what I have in the carry-on. I think I'm done with the carry-on, honestly. So there's that, and then I'm gonna show you guys the suitcase. Un momento. So this is my suitcase. I have this out because I still need to pack some of my like overnight like toiletry stuff, like my moisturizer and stuff like that. But this is how I have this packed, a couple cubes and stuff. This has my bathing suits and my feminine products. And then this zips, so then I have all this stuff. I had to like throw some of the stuff on top just because, yeah. So I have like these 3 packing cubes, and then I rolled up some jeans here, mask, and then that's like a little pajama set, which I have another pajama set somewhere around here. But that's like the door alarm thing. So that's just for safety purposes, you know. Honestly, where did I put my pajamas? I don't know. I put them somewhere though. This is one set. Those are my jeans and stuff. So yeah, this is the suitcase. So yeah, that was my suitcase. That was my carry-on. I basically have everything checked off on my checklist because I made a checklist for myself for like my packing and for things to do. Excuse me. I really just need to pack a blanket, and I think that's it. Yeah, I don't really think I'm gonna worry too much about finding my AirPods because like it is what it is. Like, there's one box and it check off that needs to be checked. Also, so I bought these like locks. There's 2 locks. I have 2 of them. And then these are the keys. So these are like TSA approved for like for locking your suitcase. I thought that was a really good idea because like maybe they won't like be inclined to steal it because it's locked and they don't have a key, you know? Just saying. That was my thought process. So yeah, I bought these locks, which are also in my Amazon storefront. If you want to look into getting those, I probably suggest them. And then I obviously don't have nails on. So I finally got one of my influencer packages. This is from Beauty Haven Cosmetics. I'll like link them down below, like their Instagram and everything. And I'll put my code in the description too. So I finally got my nails. So I'm excited because now I'm going to put one of these scents on. So this is, give me a second. These ones. There's those ones. Those are Amore. Amore. These ones are Flower Girl. I'm kind of like tempted to put these ones on. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Those ones are super cute to me. And then I have these ones. These ones are Attitude. These ones are super cute. So yeah, now I have to like pick which ones I want to put on because I don't really know because they're just so cute. But yeah, I'm debating if I might do this like while I'm waiting for my flight. I don't know. I'm debating because then I like need the nail glue and everything and it's just a lot, you know? But yes, so this is basically what I have for my study abroad. Like this is it, guys. Like it's a wrap. Like I'm leaving tomorrow. It's crazy. Part of me is like, no, I don't want to go. Ah! That's how I feel on the inside. That's a representation of all the emotions on the inside. But yeah, like I'm really, like I'm gonna go, but I just don't want to. If you've ever studied abroad, like I'm pretty sure you've also felt this way. Maybe not. Maybe it's just me. But like if you plan on studying abroad and you actually like go through with everything, like paperwork, payments, this, that, and the other, this is probably gonna be like, and it's your first time, this is probably how you're gonna feel. I've also never like traveled internationally. As far as I've gone, I believe it's like Puerto Rico. And I'm going by myself. I've never like really gone anywhere by myself. So yeah, I'm like really stressed. I'm giving myself a headache now as we're speaking. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyways. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna breathe. Yeah, but like my emotions are everywhere right now. I highly doubt that I'm even gonna sleep tonight, so there's that. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope my videos have been like helpful. If you guys have any questions about study abroad or anything, drop them in the comments section so I can let you guys know. I'm gonna drop down my Amazon storefront and all my links in the description. So stay tuned because I'm obviously gonna be posting content for Italy. Duh. Depending on the Wi-Fi, I might do like a week in Italy, like every week. So we'll see depending on the Wi-Fi and depending on how like busy my classes are. So yeah. But make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram because that's probably where like I'll be posting like smaller content videos. So go ahead, follow them pages. It's the same thing as my YouTube handle. But yeah, bye guys. I'll also be recording tomorrow. So